Hello everyone, this is My Life for Hire and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about my experience with the Permesso Di Soggiorno in Italy, and I just got my Permesso Di Soggiorno, the permanent version. So yeah, it's like a green card. It's not green, it's kind of a pinkish. But anyway, my experience is I came to Italy in 2014 as a student, and I had the Permesso as a student for 3 or 4 years, I think. 2017 I was graduating, but I worked a little bit, but I was also graduating at the same time. So 2017 I was still on student permesso, and in 2018 I applied and got the work permesso, and that lasted like a year, a little bit more than a year, and then it was 2019 I got the indeterminato contract from work. So I applied for the Carta di Soggiorno. Yeah, it's called Carta di Soggiorno, the green card thing. Yeah, I just got it after 1 year waiting, finally. Now, someone said that they will count your effective stay in Italy from the point where you get your Carta di Identità, when you declare your residency in Italy, and they count 5 years until you can apply for Carta di Soggiorno, which is not true because I got my Carta di Identità in 2017. That was 3 years into my stay in Italy. From 2017 to now it's only 3 years. So they count from the moment you got your first Permesso di Soggiorno, no matter it's work or student or whatever. So from there, you count 5 years, and then you can apply for Permesso Carta di Identità. Carta di Soggiorno. So when I was applying, it was 2019, last year, around this autumn, this season, and I had already more than 5 years, so a little bit over 5 years in Italy. So yeah, I got it. That's my experience. Just wanted to share. Maybe it can be helpful for you. And indeed, that's Italian flag.